southern trees, bearing strange fruit, blood on the leaves and blood at the roots, black bodies swinging in the southern breeze, strange fruits hanging by the poplar tree, pastoral scenes of the gallant South, with big bulging eyes and the twisted mouth, scent of magnolias clean and fresh, then the sudden smell of burning flesh. Here is the fruit for the wind to suck, for the earth to gather, for the tree to pluck, for the sun to rot, for the leaves to drop. Here is the strange and bitter cry. If I ruled the world, I'd bring all my sons, black diamonds and pearls. If I ruled the world, and we would walk right up to the sun, hand in hand. We'd walk right up to the sun. We won't land. Rock right up to the sun.